I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a hand sink with splash board on side. So we can see the units, they come in with accessories. They have a faucets, coming with the hot waters and cold waters, and also have filters. And this is a small hinge for you to mount behind of the wall to secure the sink. Now let's take the overall sizes first. From edge to edge, this unit is about like 15 and 7/8 inches. And the overall height is about like 13 inches total. And the depth of the unit is about like 15 inches. Okay, so we can take a look closer to see the inner side sink dimensions. For this pole, the length is about like 12 and 3/4 inches in the length, and almost like 10 inches in the depth. And the height of the sinks will be 6 inches. That will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.